everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to knit the Irish moss stitch. It is a really simple pattern, so without further ado, I'm going to jump into the tutorial. As you guys can see, that's very textured. It's very simple, so if you're new to knitting, this is probably a good pattern for you. Alright, to begin, what you're going to do is cast on. I typically do a long tail cast on. If you guys don't know how to do that, I do have a whole knitting playlist back on my channel you can refer to for that. Alright, I'm going to knit on, you want to cast on in multiples of 2. So I'm going to cast on about 12. I usually do 12. And 12. Alright, so I have cast on 12. That is the perfect amount for a mini swatch. And what I want to do for row 1, it's going to be really simple repeat. We're just going to knit 1, purl 1 all the way across. So anyway you knit and purl, just going to go ahead and do that. I'm weaving my end in along as I go, which may be a future video. And then purl. Alright, row 2, I'm going to turn our work, and the repeat for this pattern is the same. So we are going to knit 1, purl 1 all the way across. Okay, and that is the end of row 2. Now for row 3 and row 4, our repeat is a little different. We're going to switch it up, and we're going to purl 1, knit 1 all the way across. Knit 1. Knit 1. row 4. Again, we're going to bring that yarn forward. We're going to purl 1, knit 1 to the end. Alright, and this is basically the 4-row repeat of this stitch, and as you continue to work it, you come up with this very beautiful textured pattern. If I hold it a little diagonal to the camera, it shows up a little bit better. I think I might stick to purple for future tutorials. Sorry guys. But it's also reversible and it's super stretchy, so you know, garments, blankets, it's breathable, perfectly breathable, because you can see as I stretch it, there's little holes in it. I love this stitch. So anyway, I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. You can leave me a comment down below, let me know how I did. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, because I post knitting tutorials on Wednesdays at 9:30 a.m. CST. Also, don't forget to check me out on my other social media linked in my description box below. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat, so I have a little something out there for everybody. And until next time guys, happy making.